Today I will show you how to make a cool shuriken ninja star. The center part has a unique design. This is an origami shuriken. We're going to combine 4 sheets of origami, and it's easy to make. Let's get started. You will need 4 sheets of origami, each measuring 7.5 centimeters x 7.5 centimeters. All 4 sheets are folded the same way. First, place the white side up in this orientation. Fold along the diagonal to create creases. Align the bottom edges and fold towards the center. Continue creasing. Fold the crease marked here into a valley fold. Fold the crease marked with an arrow into a mountain fold. This will create a protruding corner in the center. Fold this protruding corner to the left. Turn it over. Repeat on this side. Align the bottom edges and fold towards the center. Make creases. Fold the marked crease into a valley fold. Flatten the protruding corner to the left. Turn it over. The intersection of the creases in the middle is the starting point. Fold the bottom right edge towards the top left, starting from the center. Tuck the folded corner into the horizontal center crease. Fold at this point. Yes, now one part is complete. Fold the remaining 3 sheets in the same way. You should have 4 folded pieces like this. Now let's put these 4 pieces together. First, take the first and second pieces. Put the second piece in the gap of the first piece. Align the right corner of the first part with the left corner of the second part. Insert the second part between the flaps of the first part. Flip it over. Now the first part is visible on top. Insert the first part into the gap of the second part. Both sides, front and back, have the parts combined. Combine the remaining parts in the same way. Insert the third part between the flaps of the second part, aligning them perfectly. Flip it over and insert the visible second part into the gap of the third part. Insert the fourth part in the same way between the flaps of the third part. Flip it over. Insert the third part into the fourth part. Now, insert the first part into the fourth part. Insert the first part between the flaps of the fourth part. Flip it over and insert the fourth part into the first part. Put it between the fourth part. As you can see, the four parts overlap. Next, fold the protruding corners in the middle. Fold the corners as follows. Looking at the corner, there is a longer edge and an inside which is open like this. There is also a shorter side. Align the longer edge with the center. First fold one, then the rest in the same way, clockwise. Align the longer edge of the first corner with the overlapping corner here and fold. Align the edges one by one with the center.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Do the same for the fourth piece, aligning the edge with the center. When you have folded them, tuck this corner of the fourth piece into the corner you folded first. The center is folded. Turn it over and fold the side in the same way. Bring the longer edge of the first corner to the center and fold it. Then, working clockwise, align the edges with the center and fold. For the last corner, tuck it into the gap of the first piece. Yes, now it's folded on both sides and the shuriken is finished. By combining this with patterned origami for the handle, you can create a more unique shuriken, as shown here. This cool shuriken can be made with just 4 pieces of origami, without using glue. So have fun making lots of them with different colors and patterns.